Hey guys, back here at Barrett Jackson. This is day 6 or 7 for us. I've lost count at this point, but it is jammed, packed. Okay, now just tell me a little bit about this collection.
This is the collection of cars that are a little bit more historically significant, in many ways a lot more valuable for a different kind of collector. Something that Barrett Jackson started with many years ago.
Hey guys, I'm Kendra Sommer, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of the automotive content that we post weekly.
We have the Salon collection, a lot of pre-war American cars, pre-war European cars, Rolls Royces, etc. And then we're getting into post-war European sports cars, luxury exotics, and some modern stuff.
Wow. And just tell me a little bit about, the cars that are like this car, the GT.
This is a very special car. This came to us from a very prominent local collector. It is a 2017 Ford GT, just been released a couple of months ago. Very few have been delivered, and there are none for sale, essentially because of the contractual obligation when you buy one to Ford that you will hold on to the car for 2 years. They want to create the market, they want to control the market and the value of the cars. This one is available for sale and will be offered next Saturday. It is being given away and all proceeds being donated to charity. It's going to a children's organization for autistic kids.
Fantastic. And I mean, the horsepower on there is incredible.
Oh, it's the most incredible car. It starts with a carbon fiber tub, carbon fiber wheels. It's very light. It's a 3.5-litre EcoBoost engine, which is actually quite an economical engine. It's the latest of technology from Ford. It's got 647 horsepower and will do 216 miles an hour. It's about the fastest car Ford have ever produced for the street.
Sure. If you could go for a joyride in this car, where would you go?
Where would I go? Mexico, and you'll never see me again. I've got the keys, I'm about ready to go. The doors are right there, let's go.
Sold! 2,500,000 numbers up in the sky! And that puts us at...
Tell me a little bit about some of the other vehicles in here. I mean, this is the Primo collection here at the auction.
This is exactly that. We've got a Ferrari Daytona Spider conversion here. We've got a 212 Ferrari super rare car, one of 100 and something made from 1953. We've got a Sauchek bodied Talbot Largo, again very rare, started off the chassis and the engine is essentially a race car, rebodied by one of the carrossiers of France. And the obligatory Aston Martin DB5 for every James Bond fan.
Good choice.
Yeah.
How many cars make up a Salon collection?
We've got about 25 cars this year.
And what qualifies a car to be here?
It starts with the value, but that's not necessarily the end of the equation. We will be taking, in future salons, we will be looking at cars that are with interesting history, maybe interesting race history, maybe interesting design history that isn't so value oriented. Things that are different, things that are exciting, things that are interesting for the average person. They would need to travel to a prominent collection or a prominent museum somewhere in the world to see these kind of cars.
All right, cruisers, I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.